When you have your SketchUp file, you can add dimensions to this by selecting dimensions. You can find this in the large tool set. If you don't have this, large tool set, you can always right click anywhere where there's an empty space at the toolbar, select large tool set, and then you'll find their dimension. So you can select this dimension and then click on the endpoints, and that's how you create your dimensions. You can bring this out and let's see. I think it's stuck to that corner. I don't want that. Let me delete that and do it again. So select the two endpoints and then move it out. You can bring it to the X or Y axis. So since this is three-dimensional, you do want to check whether you want it shown going this direction or in that direction. Once you have that, you have your dimension in 3D. You can always select and turn it off or hide it. Or in the regular or standard views, let's say front elevation, you should be able to see your dimensions as well. So that's actually nice. Okay, so that's how you add dimensions. Now, in the same token, you can also add, okay, so depending on the view, you can add the dimension. At the top view or floor plan view, you can also add your dimensions there. Oops. Camera view, top view, pan. And you can add your dimensions here as well. Okay. Now, aside from dimensions, you can also add labels. So you can add dimensions and you can add labels. So here you see the label button, text, select, hover or click on any plane and then place your label. Initially, it will show you some information. I think this is the square area for that surface. But you can easily change that to, let's say, roof or skylight or whatever text you'd like to add. Okay, hit spacebar. Sorry, hit select to finish. And like I said, this is a three-dimensional labeling. So even if you orbit around, you will still see that label. And of course, you can move this around. Okay, using the move tool. Okay, so dimensioning and adding label. And lastly, for adding text, you can actually add a three-dimensional text. So you can see here 3D text. So you can select that, add your text. Let's say this is the address 123 River Street. Okay, you can change the font as you'd like, alignment, if it's filled or not, the height, whether it's extruded or not, and the height of the extrusion. You can place it on your model, and it sticks to your model. Okay, so you can double click on it, select, and it's like a simple text. Now you can further extrude it if you want, but otherwise, it's better if you do it when you are creating that 3D text.